Today we will see how we can reduce the mobile data usage. Go to the mobile network settings. Here I have two SIMs actually. So what we can do is there is an option called data usage. Click on it and you will see the data usage by app, first option. You can click on it and there will be list of apps which are consuming the data. This is YouTube, and you can have an option here: disable mobile data, disable Wi-Fi. I have disabled all as of now. There is a background data as well, you can disable it, and disable Wi-Fi. Similarly in Chrome also I have disabled all. You can choose your option whichever you want to. Keep it background data off so that you won't consume more data. So similarly we have data saving option on. You can keep it on and you can set the data usage limit as well. See, today I have used 679 MB mobile data. You can keep it on so that it will alert you once that data reaches. So in the data saving option, by enabling data saving mode on, you can reduce the mobile data consumption. So make it on. The third option, network access. In this you can set for which application you want only the Wi-Fi should be enabled. There are options: Wi-Fi and mobile data, Wi-Fi, mobile data. You can choose whatever you want to. I have chosen Wi-Fi or Chrome. So only when Wi-Fi is there, Chrome will consume the data. It won't consume on mobile data. So another important option to reduce the mobile usage, data usage, is on Play Store. So there is a right profile icon. Go to the settings, click on settings, and there is a network preference. First is app download preference. I always keep this as ask me every time, or over Wi-Fi only, whichever you like. And there is one more option, auto update apps, which is very important. Update over Wi-Fi only. So mention it, update over Wi-Fi only, because there will be a lot of data consumption on auto updating apps in the background. So third option, auto play videos. You can keep it as auto play video over Wi-Fi only. By doing all these options, you can drastically reduce mobile data usage on your mobile. So thanks for watching. I am using Realme Narzo 60 model. So the settings may differ in your device. Please select the proper options that I have mentioned in the video and change the settings to reduce your mobile data consumption. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel to see such amazing contents.